In this video, we will download and install IntelliJ. IntelliJ is one of the famous IDE for Java, that is Integrated Development Environment for Java. So if you prefer using IntelliJ, you can use it. I am using NetBeans in my course, but if you want to use IntelliJ, then you can follow these steps. Let us see how to install and download and install. So open browser and say download IntelliJ. So the very first link is for IntelliJ. So it's going on jetbrains.com. So click on this one. Yeah, this is a prompt for cookies. Now here, this version is free available, that is open source, that is for community version. So this is freely available or it is an open source. But here there is an ultimate version which is having a free trial, but it is a paid version. So you have to get a license if you want to use this ultimate version. So there are some differences in that. But anyway, for learning purpose, the community version is sufficient. So download this one. Now download has finished. Just double click on it and install IntelliJ IDE. I will minimize this, say yes. Now you have to go on selecting next in this wizard, and if you want to change anything, you can change. So like this is a destination folder where you want it to be installed, you can select this. Then next is, here is an option for that is launcher, desktop shortcut. So for 64-bit launcher, we will select desktop launcher. And if you want to create association with Java, select this one. So select Java, then click on next. Now install. That's it. So the wizard was very simple. Just you have to select a path and some options were there. That's it. It has finished. So on the left hand side on the desktop, you can see this IntelliJ icon. This is for Eclipse, right? And NetBeans, already have installed them in the previous videos. Now double click on this IntelliJ. There is some privacy policy. Click on confirm and say continue. Then do you want to share the data with JetBrains? So if there are any issues, they will remove those issues or fix those with their patches or in these new versions. So if you want, you can do that. So I will select don't send. Now which theme you want, a light one or a dark one, right? So this is a Dracula theme. You can select this one. This will be better. White will be more bright. So select the dark theme. Then next default plugin. So if you want to select any of these plugins, you can select. Like there is a plugin for Swing, UI Designer, and for Android. So other than Java, if you are working on anything, you can select these plugins. And even you can install other plugins. So now last option is start using IDE. Yeah, this is ready. Before creating a project for the first time, just make sure that the path is properly selected or JDK is properly selected. So click on this configure option and select structure of new project. And in this structure of new project, say this is no JDK selected. So you have to select a JDK. We have JDK version 13 already installed. So it is there in the list, but it was not selected by default. So you have to select this one in the beginning when you are installing IntelliJ. So if you click here on SDK, you can see that SDK 13 is available on the machine. That's it. You can say OK. Now create a new project. A new project of Java, right? Then click on next. Like Java is selected on the left hand side. So click on next. Now create a project template, and this is command line application. So yes, we are developing command line applications. So select next. Give the name. So I will give the name as my first finish. That's it. So a Java project is ready on this. These are the tips So you can close them. Now on the left hand side, you can see a project window. Project name is my first, and here this is a .java file, that is main.java file, and the class name is main. And next, static publish static main method is already there. Now inside this, I will just print hello world. So just I am printing hello world. Now let us run this application. So here is a toolbar button for running an application. So it is being built, means it is being compiled. Now it is executed. Here at the bottom in the output window, you can find hello world is printed. So that's it. So I have written a small simple program in Java in IntelliJ IDE. Now if you are planning to use IntelliJ for writing Java programs, then you can explore about its features by yourself. So that's all in this video.